Hey everybody, it's a beautiful sunny day here in West Chicago, Illinois, here at AMS Performance. Hope you guys enjoy that little opening cinematic sequence of this one-of-one Widebody GTR that came into the shop. We're going to cut right after this into the work that we did on the car, some dyno pulls, and then we're going to head off into the back and we're going to unbox and take a look at some of our MK7 Golf carbon fiber intakes. We have both forged carbon and regular carbon. They look really, really good. Holy crap! Whoa! The perks of being right next to an airport. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Stay tuned. All right, everyone. So we just had this GTR come in. Apparently a one-off wide-body kit. It's pretty wild. What do you think, Paul?
This is wild.
It's not. I've never seen anything like it. Damn. Carbon everywhere.
Dish.
Super dish. Deep dish. We got Rohanas. Yep. Some forged Rohanas. Super aggressive styling. Little window cut out in the hood. Oh, I need to find Tyler. Tyler's doing the work on this thing. Do you remember what it's coming in for?
I believe addressing a fuel leak and injectors in a tune.
Super interesting kit. I'm curious to get your guys' input, see what you think. But yes, apparently a one-off wide body. And this has got airlift too, is that correct?
Yeah, it's got a little airlift. We'll
on bags. We bagged, boy. What's old girl getting here?
Maintenance mods, actually. I think it's getting just bigger injectors. He had someone else install the fuel system for him, so we're going to tidy up some of that, change a couple of fittings he's got on there, and then install the flex fuel kit for him.
So he is doing flex fuel?
He is doing flex fuel, yeah.
Alright, cool. We're going to get this thing racked up in Tyler's bay. Here's his Instagram if you want to check him out. Alright, so checking in on this GTR, been in the shop editing a little bit. Tyler's got the manifold out. Once again, he's doing injectors and also doing a flex fuel kit. Pigtails, wiring, fuel sensor itself, some more goodies. And then he is upgrading his injectors to some injector dynamics. That's what we use on most of our builds. Don't know the size, I'll ask him in a second, but yeah, just miscellaneous nuts, bolts, fuel line that got replaced, and they're doing some work. How's it going?
Not too bad.
Yeah, sweet. What size injectors were they again?
They were injector dynamics 1050s, now they're 1300s.
1300s.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Sweet, so yeah, he's got the manifold off. I think he just replaced this line, right?
Just fixed the fitting a little bit, yeah.
Oh, okay. Had a light leak, so he brought it into us to do some maintenance and then some light upgrades, but
stock motor, stock turbo is basically like an Alpha 7 Plus.
Okay. All right, Tyler's gonna keep working. This thing should be on the dyno a little bit later today, so we'll get a couple shots of that for you guys. He had already put the injectors in. I was looking for him a second ago, but this man works quick. So injectors already in 1300s compared to these 1050s that he had in there. Nice little upgrade.
Got those swapped out, and he had the flex fuel already like plumbed in, so we're just finishing up the wiring for him, and yeah, get that done. Just kind of tidy a few things up, make sure it's reliable, and should be good for him.
Literally, I think one of these injectors has about as much as my SR20, so probably more. Actually, more. Yes, it does. It's nuts. And there's 6 of them. Jesus. Yeah. If you guys are watching this live, make a guess in the comments below. What do you think it's going to make on the dyno? Let's see, stock turbos, Alpha 7-ish. Yeah. I'm going to say 1300s. Oh, full turbo mac?
Yep. Yep.
Nice. If you guys don't know what the GTRs, you could actually, if you want to keep it stock turbo, technically the Nismos, the Nismo turbos are slightly larger, so you can't actually put Nismo turbos on a non-Nismo GTR, and you could push it just that much further. Yep. But if you haven't pulled out, you know, do you want to go with Nismos or you just want to go with the?
You're already there.
You're already there. You got everything because these motors actually do have to come out to replace the turbos, which does kind of suck. But so unbolt the subframe, drop the subframe, get the turbos out, replace them. You're already doing that much in labor. Do you want to go just a little step up with Nismo turbos, or you just want to use that time to actually
Go big or go home, as
go
they
big?
say.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
All right, I'll let you get back to work.
Thanks.
Let's keep putting this flex wheel kit in, and we'll get this thing on the dyno.
Absolutely.
Woo! Ran into a little issue, boys and girls.
Dude, what do you mean a little wider than the roller? Wide body's a little too wide.
Yeah, it's a little too wide to actually fit on the dyno. I've never seen this before.
I don't think we've ever had this issue yet.
No.
No, the livery walk was just as wide as the roller.
The only thing I could think of is maybe put on the dyno wheels and tires.
Some dyno rears. Well,
The fronts look like they'll make it, but as you guys just saw, the car is so wide it did not fit on our dyno, so we have to put our dyno wheels and tires on. Doesn't look the best with the wide body, but we have to do it. So just know that when you see the dyno clips that we're about to show you, just know that, please. Alright guys, we got chop carbon right here. Oh, that's light. I wonder why. We got chop carbon, regular carbon. Alright. Let's hop in here, see what we got, guys. So this is for the Golf R. Alright, so we have our AMS filter. Really high quality, super stiff mesh. It's actually a reusable synthetic high flow dry media filter. So this filter is washable, it's reusable. It will still provide all the necessary air for any Mark 7 Golf R, including upgraded turbo cars. So this kit is good for both stock turbos and upgraded turbo cars. It is our intake piping. That looks so good. Super nice glossy carbon finish. This should be bolting up to the factory mounting location. So these are made with motorsports grade carbon fiber. So this is both hand laid and high temp resistant. This carbon fiber, unlike other carbon fiber used in the market, can actually withstand temperatures of up to 240 degrees Celsius. You got very nice branding. This carbon fiber, it looks so good. It's a very easy install. There's no need for cutting, trimming, taking off your grill. This can just be installed with basic hand tools in just a few minutes. Just a couple notes, guys. So these intakes are effective to over 600 horsepower. This eliminates a whole bunch of engine bay clutter. It draws a much higher volume of cold air into the engine. There we go. Pops in just like that. So obviously your filter, you would put your filter in first, but I'm not going to be able to clamp that down to the pipe, so that's not going to work. So this piece actually acts kind of like a vibration damper in a sense. This is your gloss carbon fiber. Then we have our chopped carbon right in here. Oh man. All right, so big difference right off the bat. Obviously the chopped carbon. Really unique look here. Applications, this will fit the 2015 Plus Mark 7 Golf R, the Mark 7 Golf GTI, the 2013 Plus Audi S3, A3 with the 2.0 TFSI. Minor modifications are needed for the 2013, but this also will fit the Seat Mark 7 Leon Cupra. First thing I noticed already, so we have the black AMS logo. This one actually comes with the white AMS logo. That could be maybe something helps you decide which one you want. And then the same right here for your intake tube. Awesome. What do you like better? I'm curious in the comments below. Let's see what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the chopped carbon? Do you prefer the gloss, kind of regular original weave carbon? These are on the shelves in stock right now if you guys want to order either one of these. And to box these back up, we'll get back over to the shop, we'll do the outro, and we'll go from there. Alright everybody, thank you for watching another episode of the AMS Performance YouTube channel. Let us know in the comments below, do you guys prefer the regular carbon or do you like the forged carbon? If you guys want to pick one of those up, we have a whole bunch on the shelf that are ready to go of both versions of that intake. The link will be in the description if you want to go pick one up. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.